Hello student, in the lecture of atomic structure, today we will discuss electromagnetic wave or radiant energy. Dear students, electromagnetic wave or radiant energy, according to this theory, the energy transmitted from one body to another in the form of wave, and these waves travel in the space with the same speed of light. Dear student, here two bodies. Dear student, according to electromagnetic wave theory, according to radiant energy theory, this theory say that a energy transmitted from one body to other body in the form of wave. Dear student, if you assume this had some heat energy and this had some heat energy, but the heat energy in this is greater than this. You know that the flow of heat energy from this body to in this body, okay, higher to lower. Dear student, the flow of higher to lower body, the energy flow from higher energy body to lower energy body is always in the form of wave. Energy travel from one body to other body in the form of wave. Always remember that. When you sit near the fire, the heat from the fire, heat energy from the fires come into your body through the wave. Okay. So according to this theory, energy transmitted from one body to another in the form of wave. Dear student, these wave are very important things. These wave travel in space with the same speed. Dear student, these wave travel in space same speed of light. You know that the speed of light 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So the wave, the radiation which are transmitted from one body to other body in space, their speed is 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second, which is do not depend upon the nature of the wave. Okay. In space, all the wave of radiation in space, all the wave of radiation travel with same speed, which is the speed of light, that is equal to 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, always remember that. Dear student, these wave known as electromagnetic wave or radiant energy. Dear student, we say that the heat transfer from one body to other body is known as radiant energy or electromagnetic wave. The heat energy transfer from one body to other body in the form of wave. This wave is known as electromagnetic wave or radiant energy. Dear student, the radiant energy or electromagnetic wave travel. All the electromagnetic wave, all the radiant energy travel in space with same speed, that is 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. For the example, the sunlight come to earth from the sun. Dear student, you know that when the sunlight contains many types of light like ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, visible light, but all the radiation which is visible light or radiant microwave light, infrared, ultraviolet rays do not matter. All the light come from the sun, travel same speed in the space, that is 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay student, and these wave, all the wave which comes from the sun is commonly known as electromagnetic wave or radiant energy. Okay, student. Dear student, the radiant energy do not need any medium for the propagation. Dear student, I think you understand. Between the earth and sun, vacuum are created between the earth and sun. In vacuum, there are no any gas, no any particles are present. It means, but come lights, the radiation, the lights come from the sun without medium on the earth. So we say that the radiant energy or electromagnetic wave do not need any medium for the propagation. Okay. Now the radiant energy have electrical and magnetic field. Yes, student, all the radiant energy contain electric field as well as magnetic field. All the radiant energy have electric field as well as magnetic field and travel at right angle to these field. Yes, student, it is the field which propagation of the radiation energy, field of propagation radiant energy. And when if magnetic field is here, then electric field like here at the right angle. Again, dear student, here the direction of propagation. If electric field is like here, then magnetic field like here. It means radiant energy have the electric and magnetic field travel at right angle to these field. The electric field and the magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. Electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. It means electric field and magnetic field propagate at 90 degree in the electromagnetic radiation, but the propagation directions of electric and magnetic field are same. X is the direction of propagation, Z is the electric field, and Y axis is the magnetic field. But the propagation directions of Z, electric and magnetic field both are same, that is X. Okay. This will now discuss the uppermost here a wave. In the wave, the uppermost point of the wave is called crest. And the lowest most portion of the wave is known as trough. The uppermost point of the wave is known as crest, and the lowest most portion of the wave is known as trough. Here a wave is represented here. In this, the uppermost part is here, and in this wave lowest most part is here, uppermost part is here. The uppermost portion of the wave is known as crest, whereas lowest most portion is known as trough. Yes, student, the maximum height of crest, the maximum height of trough, the maximum height of crest and the maximum height of trough is known as amplitude. Maximum height of trough and maximum height of crest is known as amplitude. The distance between two crests or distance between two trough is known as wavelength. Again, the distance between two nearest crest or distance between two nearest trough is known as wavelength. Dear student, about the wave theory, electromagnetic wave theory, and more concept we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you very much.